What's up? It's your boy Beastie Plays, and we're back with another video inside my room. As you can kind of see, you don't even see it. But, as you know, my last video actually was the Easter video. It hasn't uploaded properly, so I will have to do that again. So I will get that footage out later, because I need to prove it, everything. But, right now, the video we're focusing on is this video right here. I want you to like this video and subscribe in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you liked or subscribed. Either. You can do both if you want. Just help the channel grow bigger if you like these videos. It could be cringe. You know, I'm not the best YouTuber in the world. You know, I'm just a starter. I'm just a kid. And so today in this video, I will not have any water. We're doing what I think is like the second, like sours, because like toxic waste is like crazy sour. But we're doing, what is this? Warheads. I got this for Easter. It's like a giant. It's not giant. I'm such an idiot. It's like this big. It's pretty big, but like big as my head. Oh my god. I have cancer. Just kidding, that's my head. But we have extreme sour hard candy, super sour spray candy, which I love. Like, I love spray candy. Like, I was at my friend Tyler's house, and he had spray candy. I wanted to buy 10 of them. It was just so good. It felt so good in my mouth. That sounds, low. But, and we got chewy cubes, which I hate. I hate the chewy cubes because they're not sour and they taste terrible. Sorry if you love chewy cubes, but it's just not my taste. We have different taste buds. It says 0 protein. 18, 7, 25. It's 8, 33. This is 33 grams of sugar? What the heck? Get that. Oh, I thought this was so... I literally said I thought this was supposed to be so, like, sugary. Man, all you parents out there that says you shouldn't eat sugar, eat this. One of these only has 7 grams of sugar. Are you kidding me? If you eat the whole thing, we're gonna get to opening this. You can even see, like, you might not see it that good, but, like, right here is like all that's what's gonna be in there. I haven't opened this. I did like tear it because I was really anxious to do this. But here we go. So this is the giant egg with my grandma's face on it. She passed. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. It looks terribly cringe. Who the heck has an afro with a giant forehead with like that type of cheek? That seriously is like Peyton Manning's forehead right there. Just enlarged. So we have the chewy cubes. We have the super sour hard candy. And oh yeah, my favorite. The super sour spray candy. But it has to be watermelon. I hate watermelon. Man, this is rigged. Stuff is rigged. All this is my garbage still from Easter. It's still a bunch of garbage. I put my other stuff in the packs of cards. Like from that cards. But the other one is just from the cards. That broke immediately. Okay. 4 minutes into this video. No eggs. I don't want that. I'm retrying like 5 pieces of every candy. So it's just gonna be a candy spray candy. I'm gonna take this to the bowling alley, man. I might cry because last time I had blue and yellow. The sourest too. Oh, I was crying. I spit them out. Is this? This is cringe. What the heck? Do I need to seriously like take a piece off or something? Cispra. Oh my god. Surprisingly, that is not sour. Doesn't taste like watermelons, but it tastes like water if you put like dissolved hard candy, like of watermelons, like stuff in it. Or no, lemon Is it lemon extract or is it just like lemon juice? Idiot. It's lemon juice. God. If you like put like that like squeezy lemon juice in water, that's what it tastes like. I need one more just to remember it. It's actually really good. Really bad. We're gonna take 5 of each. Give me the cubes. Honestly. What is this? Is this water? Gotta be kidding me! Oh! That's terrible. It's so chewy. Wildly sweet, that's wildly sour. It's actually not sour. I'm gonna say horrible. It's horrible, oh my god. Horrible! I don't not. I eat. Please get a strawberry. If you don't know, my favorite is actually green apple. Or orange. Or black cherry. I don't know. Oh, but raspberry. Alright. That was cherry. Oh, it's strawberry. I'm stupid. No, I want more watermelon. I was tasting everyone. That shit empty. Yeet. I'm gonna grow up. Oh, I'm back. That didn't taste like anything. Where's the green one? Orange? It's either blue raspberry or green apple. I see green. Let's go. And it's so chewy. What the heck? That's so surprisingly chewy. Like, seriously, that's so surprisingly Chewbacca. I'm just kidding. Alright. Now we got the hard candy. There is now lemon instead of, like, why don't they just take out, watermelon? No one likes watermelon. So they took out orange, and they took out strawberry, and they added lemon. Who even likes lemon and watermelon, man? Only one hard candy. The first one I picked. Oh, black cherry. No. Why am I so bad at it? It's YouTube. Oh, there's no one back there. See that door open? That. Where's my finger going? That door right there. I'm poking it. I'm poking it. Yes. Yes. And tonight is the night where the Bucks play in the BMO Bros. I am so happy that they're actually changing arenas because Bradley Center is actually not old. But I like the design. So if you're a true Bucks fan, not like my other friends that like the Warriors fan. Yeah. I'm sick of them liking the Warriors. But if you're a true Bucks fan, show me some pride in the comments down below. Who do you think's gonna win the series? I truly think the Bucks. got this right here at home. But like, I kind of worried because of last game. The Raptors just put on a big like comeback right there. Oh, the Bucks. Oh my God, I'm stupid. The Bucks came back from like what 12, 13 point deficit. I can't remember. I have a terrible brain memory. But yeah, they did. They tied it. They missed 2 wide open threes with Malcolm Brogdon. Why? Why? Why did they have to? What? It's the biggest. It's the biggest series of your life, probably. Biggest show, biggest game, and you miss 2 wide open threes, and we lose. Like what? But yeah, today and Saturday I will be going to the playoff games in the BMO Barley Center because I got the 55 for 2 deal. So it's 2 games, 2 tickets for each, $55. So yeah, this is the end of it. Oh my God. Oh my God. My eyes just water up. It's just so cringe. I don't know why I'm sucking it off. Oh my God. Look at my face. I'm gonna do it for you. I'm doing this for you. Oh my God. It's over? I don't even have any water. I always have water. I put like one of these actually in water and it dissolved. It's terrible. I feel like I'm gonna gag. I'm gonna puke. Dude. Oh my God. I'm so cringe. Oh my God. These video games. Whoa. Well, I moved my camera differently because before, behind the scenes, I feel fine now. So if you're like, what the heck, why are you fine? I feel fine. Just gonna dump a bunch of these in here. Take these cubes out. These cubes are rigged. Never eat the cubes. Yeah. Behind the scenes is all the same. Behind the scenes, I moved these video games, my 360 games, up over there. As you can see my TV in like a green case. That's actually a 360. I just looked at it. But yeah, those down there, as you can like point. I'm actually pointing to the right thing. Is where my Xbox One's games, and one particular is Madden. No, I'm an 89. So if you wanna play me, just comment down below that you want to play me, and I'll message back. What day? I'm so cringe. What day? What time? And I'll play you, man. I'll play you if you want to play me, man. But yeah, that will probably be the end of this episode.